Hello, hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Talk Angel, the podcast where you learn English by listening to real conversations in a relaxed and friendly way.
Yes, this is the podcast where grammar meets coffee, mistakes meet laughter, and learning English feels like chatting with friends.
I'm Angel, your English learning guide and tea lover.
And I'm Liam, your coffee addict and grammar practice partner.
Today, we're sitting in a cozy cafe. The lights are warm, the chairs are comfortable, the music is soft, and the coffee smells amazing.
And Angel ordered tea again.
Tea is classy.
Coffee is dramatic.
We are both dramatic.
Cups clink.
Today's topic is very important for everyday English: how to talk about the present in English.
Yes, this is how you talk about your daily life, your job, your habits, and what you're doing right now.
By the end of this episode, you'll feel more confident saying things like, I work as a designer. I'm working on a project right now. I usually wake up early.
And you'll sound natural, calm, and fluent.
So, Liam, how is your day going?
It's going great. I'm drinking coffee, I'm recording a podcast, and I'm pretending I'm a responsible adult.
Pretending?
Yes, I still feel like a teenager with bills.
That's adulthood.
What are you doing after this recording?
I'm editing videos, answering messages, and planning new content for our listeners.
We are very busy and important people.
Yes, my mom thinks I'm famous.
My cat thinks I'm useless.
Cats are honest critics. In English, we use different present tenses to talk about different things.
But don't worry, we'll keep it simple.
The two main present tenses are 1. Present simple, 2. Present continuous.
Many learners confuse them, but today we'll make them clear and fun.
Let's start with the present simple.
We use it for habits, routines, facts, and general truths.
Examples: I wake up at 6 a.m. She works in a hospital. We live in Nigeria. The sun rises in the east.
Breaking news! The sun is still rising in the east.
Thank you for this scientific discovery.
You're welcome.
Now, Liam, what do you usually do in the morning?
I wake up, I check my phone, I forget to brush my teeth, and I drink coffee.
Please brush your teeth.
Sometimes.
I wake up, I check my phone, I brush my teeth, and I drink tea.
You sound very organized.
I sound organized. I am not.
Good job. You are using the present simple.
Now, let's talk about the present continuous.
We use it for things happening right now or temporary situations.
The structure is am, is, are, plus verb plus ing.
Examples: I am recording a podcast. She is studying English. They are watching a movie.
Right now, I am talking, Liam is listening, and you are listening.
Unless you're cooking while listening.
Then you are cooking and learning. Very impressive.
Imagine this.
What are you doing?
I am eating pizza.
What do you usually do on Fridays?
I eat pizza.
Difference: I am eating pizza means now. I eat pizza means habit.
Pizza is my personality.
Let's compare.
I live in Abuja means permanent home.
I am living in Abuja this year means temporary.
She works in a bank means permanent job.
She is working in a bank this month means temporary project.
Let's role play. We are strangers meeting here.
Hi, is this seat free?
Yes, it is. Please sit.
Thank you. So, what do you do?
I'm a graphic designer. I design logos and social media posts.
Nice. Are you working on anything interesting right now?
Yes, I'm designing a website for a fashion brand.
Oh, I love fashion.
Everyone loves fashion until they see the price.
Mistake 1. Using present continuous for everything.
I am knowing him. Wrong. Correct. I know him.
Some verbs are stative verbs. We don't usually use them in continuous form.
Examples: know, like, love, hate, believe, understand.
We say, I love coffee, not I am loving coffee.
I am loving coffee sounds very funny.
A student once said, I am loving my mother.
That sounds like a dramatic movie scene.
Yes, just say, I love my mother.
You can say, I work as a teacher. I study medicine. I'm a student.
And for now, I am working on a project. I am studying for exams.
Serious voice. Angel, what do you do?
I am a professional tea drinker.
What are you working on?
I am working on becoming rich.
You are hired.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I plan to be productive, but I watch series for 5 hours.
Same. I say I am cleaning my room today, but I scroll on my phone.
Present continuous. I am scrolling. Present simple. I procrastinate.
That should be in a textbook.
Yes.
Present simple is for facts.
Water boils at 100 degrees. Birds fly. English has many irregular verbs.
English is beautiful and chaotic.
I agree.
We also use present tense to tell stories.
It makes the story exciting.
So I'm walking down the street and I see a dog. The dog looks at me and I start running.
I start running.
Let me tell an embarrassing story.
Please embarrass yourself.
So I'm walking into a room, I push the door, but it's not open. Everyone is watching. I am pretending nothing is happening.
That pain is universal.
Let's describe what people are doing.
The waiter is walking to a table.
A woman is typing on her laptop.
2 friends are laughing loudly.
Someone is taking selfies with coffee.
That person is you.
No, that person is everyone.
Dramatically. Angel, I am sitting here and I am thinking about grammar.
Angel, stop.
Grammar is my love.
Please stop.
I wake up early. I drink my coffee. I'm recording podcasts. Yeah, you can't stop me. I'm learning grammar. I'm speaking right now. Present tense forever. Yeah, I don't know how.
Please stop.
I am stopping.
Choose the correct sentence. She is loving chocolate or she loves chocolate.
She loves chocolate.
I work in a bank or I am working in a bank.
Both different meanings.
Right now, you are listening to this podcast. You are learning. You are improving.
Every day you get better, even if you make mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning. This cafe is relaxing.
Yes, the music is soft, the coffee smells good, and people are chatting quietly.
We're recording like professionals.
Very professional. I spilled coffee on my notes.
That's creative chaos. So, Liam, what are you doing after this episode?
I am going home, I am editing this, I am eating something sweet.
What do you usually do before sleeping?
I scroll on my phone and think about my life choices.
Very deep.
Yes.
Angel, that's all for today's episode of Talk Angel. Today, we talked about how to talk about the present in English using present simple and present continuous.
Remember, present simple is habits and facts. Present continuous is now and temporary situations.
Practice every day. Talk about what you do and what you are doing.
Tell us what you are doing right now.
Thank you for listening. See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.